Hey, this video is a review of all three concepts that were in this section. So the first concept was writing each expression in radical form or writing each radical in exponential form. So we were going back and forth between exponential and radical. So if we look at number 24, we have 12y to the 1/2 power. Something to note here is the 1/2 only goes to the y. So whenever we write our radical, the y is the only thing that needs to go underneath the radical. So we're going to have a 12 on the outside, and then the radical, and the y underneath. Okay, the other thing to remember is that 1 would go here, and the 2 would go there, but since it is a square root and have the number 2, we don't write the 1 and the 2, so it would just be 12 radical y. Okay, number 25, we have radical 3xyz, and we want to write it with an exponential exponent. So we can go ahead and start off by saying 3xyz. And then since everything is underneath the radical, we need to have a parenthesis so it's together. And then it would be raised to the 1/2 power. Again, there would be a 1 here and a 2 here. But since it is 1 and 2, they don't write the 1 and 2. It's just known that that's a 1 and a 2. Okay, the next concept was actually simplifying these. So using your calculator to figure out an answer. So the 5th root of 1024, you're actually going to type in the 5 and then use that radical with that x in 1024. So on your calculator, you would do 5 and then that second power with the caret and then 1024. So 5 second power caret 1024, and you should get 4. Okay, for 27, you have 256 raised to the 3/8 power. So you're going to type that exactly into your calculator. So 256 caret 3/8. Something to note with this is you want to put the 3/8 in parentheses, and you do not want to use the ABC button, and you should get 8. Okay, and the third concept was actually solving the equations, figuring out what x is. So we need to write the 125 with an exponent. So 5 to the what power gets you 125, and it is 3. So now you can set the exponents equal to each other, and then solve for x. So 2x equals 2, divide by 2, and x equals 1. Okay, so this was a quick little video with review. So this is for page 18, numbers 10 through 21.